Peep this though. Welcome back, my people. Yo, we about to go where? Goldburgers in Newington, Connecticut.
I love how you ask yourself where, but you know exactly where.
Sometimes I'll be forgetting.
Sometimes?
All the time I'll be forgetting. I couldn't forget now. Shit, I just looked it up. Right? About to go to Goldburgers because my boy said that was good. There was some cool people in there with some tattoos, playing some hip hop music, all that shit. So that's exactly what we about to do.
Jesus Christ.
Yo, now my glasses broke. Remember that. I gotta go get back.
I know.
I have to go get some frames from Walmart so my girl can put the thing in there.
Nah, Walmart.
Where?
Family Dollar.
Oh, Family Dollar. That's what we about to do, my people.
How did it break? Again.
Oh, because I went to go like that and put them on,
that.
and I stretched them, and the shit just said, bloop.
I lost my glasses and I found them. The teacher at school dropped them off to me.
But yo, tell him, baby girl, jump cut.
Jump cut? Thank you so much, brother.
This is so wrong.
Yeah.
Welcome back, my people. Yo, we made it. Newington, downtown, I believe. We up in here, bro. We up in here. Goldburgers. I just want a regular cheeseburger. Feel me? Maybe a bacon cheeseburger. How about that? How about that right there? But until we get this food, we probably gonna sit out here. Can we sit out here and eat?
Yeah. Hello, my name is Deja. I'm his daughter, and I don't like bacon. So yeah.
Oh yeah, you suck, yo. Man, get my shit, man. Don't be talking now. You get no love right now.
Woo! But you literally are watching the window go up.
Oh,
Yo.
Oh my God, I almost lost my life today.
What you about to get?
Hot dog.
A hot dog? That's what you about to try? Out of all things. All right, fuck it. I'm about to get me a cheeseburger. We'll be back, my people. Let's go up in this bitch. Goldburgers. Hit that like button.
Right here.
Yo, we about to sit out here. Dude's looking cool as hell. Like my boy said, he all tatted up. He had tats, right?
He had tats, man?
He has.
He's literally full, except for his like.
And he said that the worst, I asked him what his worst tattoo was, like the worst pain. He said his stomach, and he recommended me not getting like.
Oh.
He said all of them was, but it's.
His stomach was the worst.
Like I think he said that because a young kid was asking about tattoos. Like, oh my God, which one hurts? I can get one. So he's like, don't get it. They all hurt.
I'm still gonna get a tattoo regardless if it hurts or not.
They all hurt.
Crazy.
I'm getting my grandmother's name.
You gonna get my name and stuff later on in life?
Facts.
Right. Yo, we'll be back when we get this food, yo. What? Yeah.
Let me see. If I get a better picture of my dad.
Yo. I gotta pay y'all motherfuckers too.
And this is my sister.
She's so pretty.
Yeah.
That's your biological sister?
Yeah. And my friend, let me see if there's a picture here of the whole thing.
Yo, you think I
look
could
at
get
my
some
grandma. If you think your grandma was like
Yo, my people, so look, the food just got here, peep this out.
that is a thick onion ring.
Thank you so much, buddy. Look at that. Oh, it's not, I almost fell. Those are my fries right there. Oh, they got the mac and cheese in there?
Mac patty.
Okay. All right, hold up.
Newport juice.
Right.
Dang.
Go ahead, boss.
Can be eaten.
How is that? How is that though?
See, I like a hot dog like that.
This is so good.
It is?
Yes.
Like a regular hot dog that I eat. And a potato.
Bread?
Yeah, bread. I do this to myself.
7.2?
7.2.
7.2.
Alright.
What you gonna get that one right there, baby girl?
A 9.
A 9?
A solid 9.
Go ahead, baby, you take yours.
Go ahead.
Oh my god, I'm like
Want this?
so full.
Yeah.
And I'm doing this. See, I can't be
You can't be messing with us.
super
Excuse me?
with food. Hell is up.
Look at the fry.
Saw that?
Oh, look at that.
What
Bro.
is this?
Look at that.
I didn't even see what was in the mac patty.
Whoa.
Is that mac and cheese? Oh, that's a mac and cheese patty.
With the mac and cheese inside.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Bite it into it. Now.
Okay, this is so messy. I love it. Crap. Wait a minute.
I know it's a solid 10.
You better not.
Which one's mine? I opened mine. Did you open yours?
Mm-hmm. Wait a minute.
Excuse me.
I need some napkins.
Right here. Right here, boss. Right here.
The mac and cheese is so creamy and it is so crunchy on the outside.
Fact.
Need the burger.
What's your score?
The sauce is like,
I thought that was a
it's
toast sauce.
natural sauce. I got to get a 9.2.
Okay. Taste the fries. Oh, wait. Taste your own.
I did. I give that a 10. Onion rings, you could never mess up onion rings. If you do, you gotta
Shouldn't be
stick
cooking.
out.
Shouldn't be cooking.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yo, fries. 7.1.
7.1?
7.1 on the fries. Look at them. 7.1.
Try one, try one.
I did. I'm not a big fan of fries.
How is that though?
It's crunchy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in this burger right now.
That is robust.
I'm glad I picked the right sandwich.
Oh, we did it. My peoples, as a review, hit that like button. So off. You already know that's it, man. We
Like,
out.
comment, subscribe. Goodbye,
Yeah.
peoples.
Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.